Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 21st of October, 2024, our system has categorized SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.90. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of 1.14% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of 0.57%, since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The recent 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from nearly 33% to 10%. Regarding the 12-month outlook, the trend points to a change of about 33% over the next year, with potential returns between 9% and nearly 185%. This range suggests a price between $37.80 and $98.83 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The SOXL ETF price decreased by 1.14% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, falling from $35.09 to $34.69. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.50%, reaching a low of $33.85 and a high of $35.03. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 7.39% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume also declined alongside the ETF, which is actually a positive indicator as volume typically follows the ETF's trend. Specifically, trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 48 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price is 50.50% or $35.39 below the 52-week high, and 90.83% or $343.55 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, has been undergoing considerable volatility recently. After surging nearly 400% from late October 2023 to July 2024, it experienced a significant drop, with shareholder value reportedly halved since its peak. This fluctuation underscores the inherent risks of investing in leveraged exchange-traded funds, particularly within the semiconductor sector, which has faced pressure due to high valuations and insider selling activities. As the market awaits earnings reports from major companies such as Intel and AMD, the outlook for SOXL remains uncertain. While the fund has achieved remarkable returns, including an astonishing 2,085% over the past decade, current market conditions advise caution. The semiconductor industry overall has been strong, with more than 80% growth in the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index this year, propelled by increased demand from sectors like cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Short-term investor sentiment will likely depend on the forthcoming earnings results, which could further affect SOXL's price trajectory. In the long run, sustained growth in semiconductor sales may support a bullish trend, but investors should remain mindful of the volatility linked with leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL. Overall, the prevailing environment indicates that while opportunities are present, the risks associated with high-stakes trading in this sector are significant. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $35.72. Conversely, if it declines, support can be expected from the long-term average at around $34.34. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may affect the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and since then, the ETF has declined by 16.87%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps reduce overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 44 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 133 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, with significant volume accumulating at $32.16 and $29.34. It's important to note that there is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this case, SOXL has support just below today's level at $32.16. Should this level fail, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $29.34 and $27.89. This ETF typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the overall risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.19 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 3.5%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 4.78%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $32.16. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $32.60, reflecting a decrease of 6.02%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 43 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our previous evaluation of this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate position. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower, down by approximately 16.8 cents, beginning trading at $34.52. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.